Subscribe to Tech Conclusion channel and press the bell icon to get notified about every new technology videos.
Dear friends, Samsung has just released the M series in India. In that, M10 and M20 are the first two major variants available right now. In that, I have selected the M20. It's the most affordable and the unique phone right now available on the Samsung series. So let's unbox it and I will show you the details. Is it worth to buy? About its cost about 13,000. Is it worth to buy? So for that, please watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. So guys, this is the M20 box and I will just cut off the seal, and this is the 4GB RAM and 64GB variant, and this comes with an V Infinity display and dual camera with 13 megapixel with 1.9 aperture, 5 megapixel with ultra wide, and the 5000 mAh battery. And let's unbox this, and just I will cut off the things sealed, and this is obviously some paperwork. Here we get the the warranty card, 1 year manufacturer warranty card, and this is an original look guide, and this is the quick start guide for this, and this is the Samsung Galaxy M20. So I will talk about the phone later. Let's comes to the accessories. It comes with an charger. It is the fast charging 15-watt charger, and this is the main thing I'm very happy with. This is the thing, USB to Type C cable with fast charging, and this comes with an a pin. This is SIM ejector tool. So when it comes to the phone, it is covered with pack, and this is the 4GB and 64GB variant, and let's take out this, and this is the Samsung, the new V Infinity display. I think it has a battery, so let's boot it. Whoa, it has it. This Samsung Galaxy M20 powered by Android. In the right side, it consists of volume rockers as well as the power unlock button. In the left side, it comes with SIM ejector tray with 2 nano SIM cards with one SD card which can expandable up to 256GB. And in the upper side of the phone, it comes with a secondary noise cancellation mic, and in the downwards of the phone, it comes with a speaker as well as the microphone with Type C port as well as the 3.5mm jack. It consists of 8 megapixel front camera with f.0 aperture with in-display flash, and when it comes to the rear camera, it comes with 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel with f.1.9 aperture with live focus with fingerprint unlock scanner, and we have tested in various conditions and it's pretty work with good as well as with this fingerprint sensor and as well as in the Face ID, and it's have unique sensor to unlock with the Face ID which can detect your face with very good, and when it comes to the screen, it is full HD screen, so you can get the maximum amount of resolution in this mobile. And Samsung Galaxy M20 runs with Exynos 7904 processor with 1.8 GHz, and it works with Android version 8.1 Oreo. And this comes with two variants of color, which is ocean blue and charcoal black, and it comes with two variants, that is 3GB RAM plus 32GB ROM with
10,990 rupees, and this current mobile comes with 4GB RAM with 64GB at 12,990.
So guys, you just saw the unboxing and full review about the Samsung M20. So I have given the link in the description below. Right now it's available only on the Amazon exclusive, Amazon sale and the Samsung website shop sale. You can buy it on that sale. After some weeks it will come to the normal sale and normal store also. I prefer to buy on the Amazon as well as the Samsung. Link in the description below. Make sure you check the full details about the thing in that link I have given in the below. So that's it for today guys. Hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe to my Tech Conclusion channel so you can get all the information like this in the future. So that's it for today guys. Meet you on the next one. Till there, take care. Bye bye.